Let's start now. 14th group of P block element. 14th group, that is carbon family. That is carbon family. Means carbon is the head of this family and it is indicated by C. Its atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. Is that family member of this family member of carbon is carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Is that? Write it into the side of this. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and that is lead. In which first of all we have to study about the carbon. What is carbon and in which form it is found? If we talk about the electronic configuration of all these elements, then this is the second period, third, fourth, fifth, sixth period. Is that? Its electronic configuration means the electronic configuration of 14th group is NS2 NP2. Is that? Means in second period it contains 2s2 2p2, it contains 2s2 3s2 3p2, 4s2 4p2, 5s2 5p2 and 6s2 6p2. This is the, we are talking here about the electronic configuration of all these elements which is related to our carbon family, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Is that? And these all are the periods. In second period carbon family, carbon atom, its electronic configuration is 2s2 2p2. Third period silicon 3s2 3p2. Fourth period then 4s2 4p2. Fifth period belongs to tin 5s2 5p2 and sixth period belong to lead 6s2 and 6p2. Okay. Now look here. Carbon, this is the 17th bonded element of the earth crust. 17th bonded element by mass. By mass, this is the 17th element of the earth crust and it is found in two states. Carbon is found in two states, that is combined state. Here carbon combined state as well as free state also, that is elemental state. Is that? In combined state it is found as carbonates, hydrocarbon and carbon dioxide gas also. Whereas in free state it is found as coal, graphite and diamond. Is that? All these three states in which carbon is found in free state, whereas in combined state it is found as carbonates, hydrocarbon and carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Now if we talk about the isotopes of carbon, isotopes of carbon, then carbon contain generally two isotopes, means naturally two isotopes are found of carbon, और carbon contain two isotopes, ऐसे लिखूं, naturally two isotopes, naturally carbon has two isotopes, that is which one? C12 and C13. One more isotope is found. One more isotope is found, that is carbon 14. Is that, and this is also most important isotope of carbon, and it has the characteristic as radioactive characteristics, radioactive isotope. Is that C14 is radioactive isotope of carbon, whereas carbon 12 and carbon 13 is found naturally as isotope of the carbon. We have discussed here about the carbon. Carbon is not only these isotopes it has, but it has also unique property, unique element of the nature. We can say what it has, the property of catenation. And do you know about the catenation? What is catenation? Chain-like structure, means carbon can form chain-like structure with the hydrogen and other like halogen and other element also. Is that carbon is non-metal. What is this? Non-metal, whereas silicon and germanium both are metalloid. Tin and lead both are non-metal. Sorry. This is metal. Is that? So it has three categories: non-metal, metalloid and metal, in which carbon is non-metal, silicon and germanium is metalloid, whereas tin and lead is metal. Copy it now and we will discuss about the characteristic of all these elements deeply. Look here, something more about the silicon, germanium, tin and lead, that is silicon exists as silica and silicate. Whereas germanium exists as traces, Ge exists in traces. Tin, yes. What about the tin? Tin exists as tin oxide and like SnO2. Yes, Sn exists as SnO2 and Pb exists as PbO, lead oxide. Okay, all these points you all have to must remember. Means what we have studied today about the carbon family. This is the 14th group, that is carbon, belongs to carbon family. Atomic number of carbon is 6 and the electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2 here. Okay. The member of the carbon family is carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead, in which carbon is the non-metal whereas silicon and germanium is metalloid. Tin and lead are non-metal. Carbon, its electronic configuration is 2s2, 2p2. Silicon 3s2, 3p2. Why? Because it belongs to third period. Germanium belongs to fourth period, hence its electronic configuration is 4s2, 4p2. Fifth, Sn means tin. Tin belongs to 15th group, fifth period. Its electronic configuration is 5s2, 5p2 and lead belongs to 6th period. Its electronic configuration is 6s2, 6p2. Carbon exists as in two state, that is combined state and free state also. Okay. In combined state, it exists as carbonates, hydrocarbon and carbon dioxide, whereas in free state means elemental state, it exists as coal, graphite and diamond. Clear? Now, it has some unique property like catenation. Catenation is the property to combine with each other. Each other means carbon can form a long chain in the nature, and hence system which comes to nominate it, that is known as nomenclature and IUPAC system. You all have studied about it in the our organic chemistry, means GOC, that is not the god of chemistry, that is general organic chemistry. Okay. Look here now. Isotope of carbon. How many isotope of carbon? Naturally, carbon has two isotopes. Naturally, carbon has two isotopes, that is C12 and C13. But one more isotope is present here, that is C14, by which we find the age of the wood. Is that C14? And this is the most important isotope, that is radioactive isotope. Now, silicon exists as silica or silicate, whereas germanium exists as in traces, tin exists as SnO2 and Pb exists as lead oxide, that is PbO. Okay. We will discuss about all the characteristics of that is physical characteristic like atomic radii, electronegativity and different type of physical properties in our next video. तब तक के लिए thank you.